Okay, well, that wasn't so bad. I found my knobs right away. They were right there. Yeah. My goodness, hey. There's my life. Right there. At least a former life, a life I used to know. Yeah. Oh, well. Yeah. All right. Okay, we'll take that off there. Well, yeah, I'm gonna, let's see how I can do this. This lock isn't very great, I've got to tell you. It has issues. It's had issues for quite some time, and it still does. Okay, now. Oh, come on, now. Don't keep doing this to me. This lock. This thing's an annoying. It's a Brinks lock, too, you know. People pay big money for these things, and they're not much good. Anyway, there we go. Okay. Finally worked. It's an annoyance, though. Anyway, I did find my knobs. There's my box of knobs. I think these ones here would be the ones, really, that would look the best on that radio of hers, but I'll let her go through and she can pick what she wants. There's some old 1960s type knobs, 50s or 60s. Yeah, here. Here we go, little pointer knobs there. A little pointer on it there. Yeah. And we got there's a, yeah. All right, lots of sawdust. Now, okay, now there's an old knob. Yeah, lots of old knobs. Never let it be said that I don't have a lot of old knobs. There's kind of a heavy-duty looking one. Another one there. Yeah. These are all salvaged off things over the years. There's a nice red one. I have black ones like that too. There we go. Is that one of them? Yeah, there's one of them. Those are kind of nice. Anyway, let's close it up now. I want to get back to Camp Crazy. There's some more wooden knobs. Those are kind of nice too. I have to go through and see when I'm over there next time. All right. Yeah. I got to stop at the farm now and get some eggs. My friend who has the farm also has the garage where I bring the truck. So I was talking to her and went there, and I asked her about eggs. She's going to get her son to go into the hen house and get some eggs. There was none in the refrigerator, but she said there will be some in the hen house. So anyway, that's what we'll do. That old engine sounds sad. Hey, hammering away. There's a monkey under there with a hammer going right to town. All right, we'll see you later.